Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below, extended ones as well, so you can have an easier time getting at your box. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more down here with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats which can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping and folding towing mirrors, and then you have 3 memory buttons for your driver's seat, your steering wheel, your power pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with lane or distance pacing technology, and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, fuel history, compass. You can also go into your truck info, look at your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and maintenance information. You have your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, such as your driver assistance features. And you do also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your vehicle and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer, as well as having the that's not quite set up yet, but you do have quite a few different views for your cameras. And then above that you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again. But then you do have a premium B&O audio system in this vehicle, so your music or whatever you're listening to is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate once again, but also heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller with the Pro Trailer Backup controller at the very bottom. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. And under here, you have a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad. So if your phone is compatible, just throw it on there and it will begin to charge. Quickly looking at your column shifter, which does of course have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end of that for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, it can be turned into 4, or if you want to just have more space for your stuff, there's that too. And your lockable center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray and a ton of room inside, including another 12-volt power outlet. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof up top, so you can land the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.